Namaste and hello from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. Today our focus will be on 4 words: fast, fi, girl, ground. So let's start with the first word, fast. F-A-S-T, fast. Run fast, drive fast, as fast as. Fast food. That car is extremely fast. Raj works reasonably fast. He has a very fast computer. We are going to get some fast food. The baby was fast asleep. Have some biscuits, Chia? No, thank you. I'm fasting today. When will you break your fast? I'll break my fast after moonrise. Okay. Please walk fast. We might miss the bus if you walk slowly. The second word is fi. F-I-V-E, fi. 5 o'clock. 5 years old. 5 rupees. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 plus 5 is 10. What time is it? It's 5 o'clock. How old is your daughter? She's 5 years old. I run 5 miles a day. 5 miles? Yeah. Reena lives on the 5th floor. We have 5 senses. Smell is one of the 5 senses. The third word is girl. Good girl, little girl, baby girl, pretty girl, beautiful girl. Ajay and Suppi were blessed with a baby girl last month. I saw a little girl. The girl ran off, hopping and skipping as she went. Who is that girl? The girl is very pretty. I know that girl. That girl is my friend's sister. Both the girls study and play together. The fourth word is ground. G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. Ground floor. Above the ground. Grounded. Chintu and Mintu both want to learn to speak English. Now they have found a common ground to start building their friendship. So what do we mean by common ground? Common ground means they are sharing the same interest. Here their interest is to learn and speak English. Summertime is a good time to enjoy the early morning sun on the ground. Kids enjoy playing in the playground. Planes were grounded due to the cyclonic winds. Here, grounded means they were prohibited from flying. They could not fly until further notice. The ground is wet. Yeah, it rained. For someone so young, Ranish is extremely grounded. Here, grounded means well balanced and sensible. So that's all for today. Meet you again in my next lesson. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, and take care. Thank you for being my inspiration. Be happy, happy always.